fun either. Don't miss In Real Life, Monday at 7.
Sarap ng bata, oh, minata.
Whitworth will be performing his version of Sonic Food in E minor. Yeah, E minor, all right, yeah!
What am I worried about? I got plenty of friends. I can name 3 right off the bat.
Sarap may inatak yung bata, oh. Okay naman, pinupost-post ko. Okay lang, dire-diretso.
Diretso, 3 minutes.
Hindi, may post eh.
Sinatak ba tayo?
Wala na, tapos na. Ayan, kinain niya kagabi. Ayan, taas na naman. Hindi makita yung daan. Kinain ni Sisiro to. Pero yung daan, ayan, hindi sinasabi, hindi naasinan. Makunat ang gobyerno dito. Sama nito ba? Makunat.
I feel great. Thanks, SpongeBob. You're a real friend.